Ayun, sa Whoops area. Ladies, hold shot by. Hold shot by. Yes, that is from GCW Racing Team. That is Jeanette Olanda, followed by Chanel Quirol, followed by Encarnacion. Ayan, that is Jeanette Olanda, followed by Chanel Quirol. Ayun, overjump by Chanel Quirol, followed by Encarnacion, and also Pipay. Encarnacion, followed by Nika Quirol, Janica Adlawan, followed by Encarnacion, and also followed by Heidi Limbaga, and also Nadera. Okay, still on lead. That is Jeanette Olanda. Ayan, bar to bar, side by side by Chanel Quirol. Ayun, umahabol pa rin Chanel Quirol. Ayan, bar to bar. Inside. Ayun, inside. Ayan, outside. Outside. Ayun, pumasok Chanel Quirol. Side to side. Ayan. Ayun, kinuha na naman ni Chanel Quirol. Ayun, Chanel Quirol. Ayun, sa Whoops area. Inside Quirol. Outside, inside Jeanette. Ayun, ayaw. Wala pa rin. Tira. Wala. Uy, Dora. Inside. Okay. Ayun, Jeanette Olanda from GCW and also Four Sister Racing Team. Ayan, Nika Quirol and Encarnacion. Pipay, Encarnacion. White flag is up. Ayun, bar to bar pa rin, side to side. Chanel and also Jeanette Olanda, side by side. Ayun, oy! Muntikan, ladies open, ayun! Checkered flag is coming mga kaigsonan. Isa kaya ang makakuha ng checkered flag. Ayun, inside, outside. Oy! Natumba si Chanel Quirol. Checkered flag is up to Jeanette Olanda. Ayun, second place. Checkered flag is up to ayan, Encarnacion, followed by Nika Quirol, followed by Chanel Quirol. Sayang, si Chanel Quirol. That is fourth Chanel. That is Pipay, Encarnacion. And also 6th place, that is Janica Adlawan. And also Nadera. That is Heidi Limbaga. And also Encarnacion.